Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to use Spotify for beginners. First, unlock your phone and open the Play Store. Now search for Spotify and download the app. Once installed, open the app to get started. After opening, you will either sign up or log into your account. When you open Spotify, you will see a login or sign up screen. If you are a new user, create an account, and if not, simply log in. After that, your main Spotify home screen will appear. Luckily, the setup is very quick and beginner-friendly. Now look for the search option inside Spotify. Tap on it to search for any song, artist, or album you like. You can type anything like your favorite singer or music name. Spotify will instantly show all related results. After searching, you will see different songs and artists. Now simply tap on the song you want to listen to. It will start playing instantly with good audio quality. So just enjoy your favorite music without any hassle. If you want to save songs, tap the plus icon next to the song. This will add the song to your library or liked songs. It helps you quickly find your favorite music later. Honestly, this is one of the most useful features in Spotify. Now go to your library and tap on Create Playlist. Give your playlist a name and start adding songs to it. You can organize music based on mood, artist, or genre. This makes your listening experience more personal and fun. And that's how beginners can easily use Spotify step by step. Now you can listen, save, and organize your favorite music easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment what app you want next.